Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing a new webcam in this video. So here we have the Brio 4K Stream Edition Logitech 4K webcam. So I'm upgrading basically from an HD webcam. I've been using an LDIS for a while, which is okay, but basically I need to have something that's going to be able to do 4K and higher resolutions. So let's have a look in here, shall we? I'm just going to use some scissors to break the seal on the box. Oh, before we go in there, let's have a look. What does it say? It says it's compatible with Skype, Google Hangouts, FaceTime for Mac, XSplit and OBS. I'm sure it will work with other things too. What's in the box? You get various things there, but we'll have a look at them when we actually open it up. Okay, so here we go. So this is one of few 4K cameras 4K webcams on the market. I actually experimented with a couple of cheaper ones, but they were really not good. So I decided to go with this. As my granddad used to say, buy cheap, buy twice. But in this case, buy cheap, send it back to Amazon's free returns and buy a different one. So here we go. Ooh, look at that. Nicely presented in that box when you open the flip up. You've got the Logitech webcam sitting there. I'm going to just lift that up. It's in its own little plastic seat. Okay. And it comes with a built-in stand which allows you to mount it on top of like a monitor or a laptop. But you can also take this stand off, and it's got kind of a screw fitting which allows you to mount it straight onto a tripod and other devices like that. What else is in the box, you ask? Let's have a look. We have cableage. So we've got a USB-C cable for connecting into your PC or Mac. What looks like maybe a soft case. And what else? Ooh, I don't quite know what this might be. A lens cover, I think. Might be wrong. If I'm wrong, I'll update you. I think that's to go over the actual camera. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. We'll find out. And some sort of pamphlet-y things in here. There's some free software that this comes with. Essentially, you get a 12-month license for that. I probably won't use it personally. I'll be using other software that I've already got. But there we go. The only other thing to mention at this point is the USB cable it comes with does stick out quite a long way, and people have said in other reviews that I've noticed that when you plug it in, it ends up sticking a long way out of the back of the camera, so you can't put it up against a wall or anything. It also places quite a bit of weight and tension on the socket itself. So I've actually got a separate USB-C cable I've ordered, which has got a right angle, which is lighter and smaller and is less pressure on that socket. So yeah, there we go. That's what's in the box. So it comes with a plastic cover, this webcam front, and you can just peel that off like that. So here's the USB-C right angle cable that I bought, and you can see that fits in there, and it's quite nice because it doesn't stick out very far. It's nice and light, and that'll do the job nicely. Stick it on top of the monitor. Just there. Comme ça.